say how wonderful it is to see your faces every week. Today's question from Climate Kids is, what is making Earth's climate warmer? Scientists have discovered that humans are causing this warming. Uh-oh, that's us. Ah! Scientists have discovered that we are causing most of global warming. But don't worry, I know what we can do to help. So the next time, instead of buying plastic toys, maybe we can use our imaginations and make our own toys from what we have at home. Isn't that neat? Making our own toys is sustainable, and that will help our Earth stay cool, and also help our polar bear friends stay cool. Now onto the worksheet. Remember, I believe in you. Now that you have your worksheet, let's write our name. You can choose any color you like. Remember, there's no rush. Great job! Now let's read the directions. Pink D, pink D. What do you see? I see a brown dog staring at me. Let's read it one more time. Pink D, what do you see? I see a brown dog staring at me. What do you think we're gonna color the D? Pink D, pink D. Pink. That's right. Let's grab our pink crayon and color the D. You color the D pink. That's correct. Now what do you think we're gonna color the dog? Let's read the directions. I see a brown dog staring at me. What color do we color the dog? I see a brown dog staring at me. Great job! We're going to color the dog brown. I'm coloring the ears dark brown, so this way we can see that it's not part of the body. I'm going to color the inside of the mouth red. I love red. Red is such a beautiful color, don't you think? I'm going to color the paws pink. And the nose, just like the pink D. Whoa, great job! Pink D, what do you see? I see a brown dog staring at me. You dinos surprise me every single week. Did you know a dog are a man's best friend? Isn't that neat? Now on to my favorite part. Now we're going to color the background. You can do anything your imagination lets you do. I've decided to color oval circles in light blue. Can you tell me what you are drawing on the background? Oh, that's neat. I love that idea. I'm coloring the background like a greenish yellow. I guess that's like green mixed with yellow. What color are you coloring the background? Oh wow, that's my second favorite color. Where did everyone go? Oh, there you are. I'm so proud of you. Remember what we talked about to keep the planet cool for our polar bear friends. Bye. I'll see you next week.
Hi everyone. To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks.